Life is not easy at all. There are going to be challenges. You're going to get beaten down. That's the way life is. You put a mask on your face, and you go home. When no one's looking, when you don't have to impress anybody, and you're yourself, fear comes in. Maybe you don't know for sure what's going to happen in the future, and it scares you. That fear paralyzes you. I just want to ask you today, do you think you have hope? At some point, everything is going to go south on you, and you'll think, this is it. This is how I end. You can either accept that, or you can get to work. That's all it is. You just begin. You do the math, solve one problem, then solve the next one. It doesn't matter how many times you get knocked down in life, because that's going to happen. All that matters is that you get up. You have to get up. Whatever experience you're having right now, it has not come to stay. It has come to pass. Sometimes you have to back up, go within yourself, pray, meditate, recharge your batteries, go away, clear your head, and come back with a different perspective. Don't operate while you're under the spell or effect of what's going on. Don't allow your emotions to control you. We are emotional, but you need to discipline your emotions. If you don't, they will control you. You don't have to force yourself or motivate yourself to think negatively, to be depressed, to beat yourself up, or to feel loaded with guilt. Your mind will do that automatically. But if you want to move into your personal greatness, you have to go against the tide, harness your will, and say, in spite of this, I'm in control here. I'm not going to let this get me down or destroy me. I'm coming back. When you ask someone what they want, they might say they want to be a diamond. Everyone wants it, but not everyone gets it. The crazy thing is, if you want it, you can get it. No one is stopping you or holding a gun to your head. It's a matter of will, hard work, sacrifice, dedication, and commitment. The difference is not in genetic code or potential. It's in the willingness to get knocked down and get back up, to persevere, and to see it through with a never-say-die attitude. We know the journey ahead is going to be tough. We know we'll face obstacles, discomfort, and attempts to break us. We know this already, so let's make up our minds before the battle that we're going to be victorious. Don't cry to give up. Cry to keep going. Don't cry to quit. You're already in pain. You're already hurt. So get a reward from it. At the end of pain is success. You're not going to die from a little pain. Tell yourself, I won't give up. When depression hits you out of nowhere, tell yourself, I won't give up. There's no guarantee that someone down on their luck can't come back. Who can guarantee that you can't make it, that you can't have your dream, or that you can't do what you want to do? No one can. No one can predict that. You don't know the possibilities for your life. If you're willing to go through the battles to get where you want to go, who has the right to stop you? It's your right to listen to your gut. It's no one's right to say no after you've earned the right to be where you want to be and do what you want to do. All we need to do is look at our dreams as we get ready to hit our stride. Destiny favors the determined. I don't care if you're sick or what you're going through. If you're not dead, you're not done yet. As long as you're waking up, you're still in the game. As long as you're alive, you can still make it happen. As long as there's breath in your nostrils, you're still in the game. You can still win. Now get up and make it happen.
Thanks for watching my Rise Quotes channel. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.